Hello fam! Welcome to your favorite beauty spot, My Simple Remedies. Today I will show you how to do a facial at home. Using this remedy will make your face fair, clear, and spotless. If you also want to make your face glowing and fair, then try our facial today. If you're watching the video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tips and tricks. Let's not waste time. Let's begin. Before we go on, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. So friends, our first step is cleansing. Let's prepare our cleanser mix. First of all, I will add 1 tablespoon of yogurt, then juice from half a lemon plus 1 tablespoon of rice water. You can make your own rice water by soaking some rice overnight. Mix these ingredients gradually until the mix becomes thick. So friends, our cleanser is ready. Wash your hands before applying to your face. Then dip your fingers into the mixture and massage it onto your face smoothly. Massage this mixture well onto your face for 3 to 5 minutes. By doing this, dead cells, bacteria, and excessive oil will be removed from your face. Next, let's move on to our next step. But before doing that, remember to like this video. Okay, our next step is scrubbing. For this step, we need rice soaked in water overnight. Remove the water from the rice and place rice into a food mixer. Now, add 1 tablespoon of yogurt to it and start the mixer until rice is thoroughly ground. Now, our scrub is ready and you can already see its consistency. Take a little scrub and massage it on your face. Make sure to apply the scrub smoothly on your face and massage it for the next 3 to 5 minutes. After massaging well, leave it on your face for 20 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. Okay, now, our next step is moisturizing. Now we will moisturize our skin. This is a very easy step. All we need is vitamin E capsule. Cut or pierce the capsule, extract the liquid and apply on your face, massaging for the next 3 to 5 minutes. Leave it on your face. Vitamin E makes our skin young and has an overall whitening effect. Remember to not wash off the vitamin E from your face. Let it stay. Don't wash your face and instead let the vitamin E get absorbed in your face thoroughly. So friends, here's the result of this facial. If you want to see your face beautiful, young and smooth, then try this facial today. This was Nisha and I'll meet you in my next video on this channel. Until then, bye bye.